Hello homeowners, are you considering a new roof for your home? Thinking about a new roof? It's a significant investment and a crucial part of your home. Metal roofs are growing in popularity, and for good reason. They offer unmatched durability, longevity, and a sleek, modern look that can enhance any home. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the fascinating world of metal roofing. We'll discuss the different types available, their unique benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your home. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. Choosing a new roof is a big decision that requires careful consideration. A roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements, protecting it from rain, wind, and sun. It also significantly adds to your home's curb appeal, making it look attractive and well-maintained. Metal roofs are a fantastic option for many reasons. They can last for decades, often outlasting traditional roofing materials by a significant margin. Metal roofs come in a wide variety of styles and colors. There are options to suit every taste and architectural style. Whether your home is modern or traditional, there's a metal roof out there that will complement it perfectly. We'll explore the most popular types of metal roofing in the sections that follow. We'll also delve into the practical aspects of metal roofing. This includes the installation process, maintenance tips, and the costs involved. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision about your new roof, ensuring it meets all your needs and preferences. Let's start with a classic corrugated metal roofing. This type of roofing has been around for decades and continues to be a popular choice for many reasons. You've seen this style on barns and sheds, but it's not just for agricultural buildings anymore. It's known for its distinctive wavy panels, which not only look unique but also serve a functional purpose. But don't let its humble origins fool you. Corrugated metal roofing is strong and affordable, making it a great option for a variety of structures. Corrugated panels are usually made of steel or aluminum, both of which are durable materials. These metals are coated to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring a long lifespan even in harsh weather conditions. The corrugated shape adds strength, allowing the panels to withstand heavy loads and impacts. It allows the panels to span longer distances without the need for additional support structures. This means fewer supports are needed, which can save on construction costs and time. Corrugated metal roofing is a practical choice for both residential and commercial buildings. It's lightweight and easy to install, which makes it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors alike. It stands up well to wind, rain, and snow, providing reliable protection in all seasons. And it reflects sunlight, keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing energy costs. This roofing style is gaining popularity for homes with a modern or industrial aesthetic, adding a sleek and contemporary look. It's also a natural fit for cabins and cottages, blending seamlessly with rustic and traditional designs. Corrugated metal roofing offers a timeless look that's both stylish and budget-friendly, making it an excellent choice for any homeowner looking to balance aesthetics and cost. Looking for a sleek and contemporary roofing option that stands out from the rest? Consider standing seam metal roofing, a choice that combines both style and functionality. This roofing style features vertical panels with raised seams, giving it a distinctive and clean look. The seams interlock seamlessly, creating a smooth, continuous surface that is both visually appealing and highly functional. Standing seam roofs are typically made of durable materials like steel or aluminum, ensuring longevity and modern appeal. For those seeking a more premium finish, they can also be made from high-end materials like zinc or copper. The panels come in a wide range of colors and finishes, allowing for extensive customization. This customization enables you to personalize the look of your roof to match your unique style and preferences. One of the biggest advantages of standing seam roofing is its exceptional weather resistance, making it ideal for various climates. The raised seams are specifically designed to prevent water from seeping into your home, offering superior protection against water damage. Additionally, these roofs allow for proper ventilation, which is crucial in preventing ice dams in colder climates. Standing seam metal roofing is not just a premium choice. It showcases exceptional durability that stands the test of time. It offers a modern aesthetic that complements contemporary designs while ensuring long-lasting quality. If you're looking for a roof that makes a bold statement and stands out, standing seam is an excellent option to consider. Want the look of traditional shingles with the benefits of metal? Metal shingle roofing offers the best of both worlds. These shingles mimic the appearance of asphalt or wood shingles, but they're made from durable metals like steel or aluminum. Metal shingles are available in a wide variety of styles and colors. They can resemble slate, cedar shakes, or even clay tiles. This makes them a versatile choice for any architectural style. Metal shingles offer several advantages over traditional materials. They're fire-resistant, insect-proof, and resistant to rot and decay. They're also lightweight and easy to install. Metal shingle roofing provides the charm of traditional shingles with the longevity of metal. It's a smart choice for homeowners who want the best of both worlds. Section 5. Metal tile roofing, Mediterranean charm. For a touch of Mediterranean elegance, consider metal tile roofing. These tiles resemble traditional clay or concrete tiles, but they're made from lightweight metals like steel or aluminum. Metal tile roofing is known for its beauty and durability. It's available in a range of colors and finishes. You can find styles that mimic the look of aged terracotta or sleek modern tiles. Metal tile roofing offers excellent protection from the elements. It's fire-resistant, wind-resistant, and impact-resistant. It's also energy efficient, reflecting sunlight away from your home. Metal tile roofing adds a touch of sophistication to any home. It's a durable and stylish choice for homeowners who appreciate classic design. Section 6. Metal shake. Roofing, rustic elegance, modern durability. Capture the rustic charm of wood shakes without the maintenance headaches. Metal shake roofing offers the look of cedar or wood shakes with the durability of metal. Metal shake roofing is made from steel or aluminum. The panels are shaped and textured to resemble real wood shakes. They're available in a variety of colors and finishes to match your home's style. Metal shake roofing is a great choice for homeowners who love the look of wood but want a longer-lasting option. It's also a good choice for homes in areas prone to wildfires. Metal shake roofing combines the beauty of nature with the strength of modern materials. It's a durable and stylish choice for homeowners who want a roof that stands out. Section 7. Copper roofing, a crown of copper. For a truly distinctive roof, consider copper. Copper roofing is a premium option known for its beauty, longevity, and unique properties. Copper roofs develop a beautiful patina over time. This greenish-blue coating protects the metal from corrosion. A well-maintained copper roof can last for a century or more. Copper roofing is a significant investment, but it offers unmatched beauty and longevity. It's a statement piece that adds value and character to any home. Copper roofing requires specialized installation. It's important to work with an experienced contractor who understands how to work with this unique material. Section 8. Choosing the right metal roof factors to consider. With so many types of metal roofing available, how do you choose the right one for your home? Here are a few factors to consider. Style. Think about the architectural style of your home. Choose a roofing style that complements its design. Budget. Metal roofing varies in price depending on the material and style. Set a budget early on to narrow your options. Climate. Consider your local climate. Some metal roofing materials are better suited for certain climates than others. Energy efficiency. Metal roofing can help improve your home's energy efficiency. Look for products with high reflectivity ratings. Choosing the right metal roof is a matter of balancing your personal preferences with practical considerations. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Section 9. Installation and maintenance. Keys to a lasting roof. Proper installation is crucial for the longevity of your metal roof. It's essential to hire a qualified and experienced roofing contractor. They'll ensure your roof is installed correctly and to code. Metal roofing requires minimal maintenance. Inspect your roof regularly for any signs of damage. Remove any debris such as leaves or branches that could accumulate on the roof. Most metal roofs come with warranties that cover materials and workmanship. Be sure to understand the terms of your warranty. With proper installation and maintenance, your metal roof will provide decades of protection for your home. Section 10. Costs and ROI investing in your home. Metal roofing is a significant investment, but it's an investment that pays off in the long run. Metal roofs last longer than traditional roofing materials. They require less maintenance and can increase the value of your home. The cost of a metal roof varies depending on the type of metal, the style of the roof, and the complexity of the installation. Get multiple quotes from reputable contractors to compare prices. While the upfront cost of a metal roof may be higher than traditional materials, the long-term savings can be substantial. Factor in the longevity, durability, and energy efficiency of metal roofing when making your decision. Section 11. Conclusion: your new metal roof awaits. A new metal roof is a great way to enhance your home's beauty, durability, and value. With so many styles and options available, you're sure to find the perfect metal roof for your needs. Remember to do your research, choose a qualified contractor, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-made metal roof over your head. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of metal roofing. Happy home improvement.